In the world of machinery and heavy equipment, there exist monsters whose size and strength are so great that it seems unbelievable. Their enormous proportions and incredible capabilities arouse curiosity and evoke awe and admiration. They are symbols of impressiveness and wonder, leaving everyone in awe of their power and authority. The Liebherr PR 736 bulldozer, a super tool in the construction industry, demonstrates excellence in every aspect of its operation. With a powerful engine inside, it is like a reliable soldier ready to face any construction challenge. Despite its immense power, the Liebherr PR 736 is designed for easy maintenance, ensuring it operates reliably and efficiently for a long time. That is why it is considered one of the best bulldozers on the market and always excels in completing all construction tasks. Its versatility is even more perfect as it can switch between different accessories and tools. Whether you need to dig, lift, or level the ground, the PR 736 can quickly adapt and get the job done. The TigerCat 822 forestry harvester is an excellent machine for forestry operations such as felling trees, loading and transporting wood from the logging area. It has a powerful engine to ensure high performance in challenging forest environments. Equipped with advanced equipment and technology, TigerCat 822 helps increase productivity and save time on logging. Its professionalism makes it one of the essential tools in the forestry industry, optimizing the process of harvesting and transporting wood from the forest to the processing facility. The piston bulldozer snow groomer is an indispensable icon in the maintenance and management of snow in winter. It is equipped with wide grooves and powerful cutting blades, ensuring an even and smooth groomed snow surface. The advanced control system allows the operator to customize blade pressure and height, ensuring that snow is prepared exactly when needed. With the ability to operate in harsh snow conditions, the piston bulldozers provide safety and enjoyment for enthusiasts of winter sports and other winter activities. It truly represents advanced technology and high performance in the winter industry. Harvesting grapes to produce red wine in Wollersheim, Wisconsin, is an exciting and technical endeavor. They use an advanced grape harvester to perform this task, making the process truly impressive. Designed with advanced technology, the harvester gently and quickly separates the grapes from the vines, ensuring the quality of the grapes is kept intact. Thanks to efficient operation and automation, harvesters increase productivity. It reduces harvest time, ensuring grapes are harvested optimally to make delicious red wine. The Comtech Top Turn X 4500 compost turner is a symbol of excellence in the composting industry. With its efficient operation and exceptional reliability, it contributes significantly to turning compost into a valuable resource. The X4500 was designed with special consideration to make turning compost piles easier and more efficient than ever. The excellence of Comtech TopTurn X 4500 lies in its performance and contribution to maintaining a greener, more sustainable environment. If you find this content interesting, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel so we can accompany you in exploring machines. The D8T bulldozer is an icon in the construction and mining industry, famous for its sheer size and powerful engine. In particular, it has a giant diesel engine that helps push the blade with incredible force. What's attractive about the D8T is the perfect combination of technology and power. The advanced control system allows the operator to manage the machine accurately and efficiently. D8T's ability to work continuously and optimize performance has represented a breakthrough in the industry, especially in infrastructure construction and precious resource mining around the world. With the D8T dozer, you have a powerful, reliable, and inspiring tool ready to tackle the toughest tasks, taking the construction and mining industries to new heights. The Cat D11 bulldozer, often dubbed the king of bulldozers and rock splitters, is one of the largest and most powerful bulldozers in the world, manufactured by Caterpillar, one of the largest names in the world. Leading edge in the construction and mining industry. The D11 is renowned for its outstanding power and ability to tackle challenging earth-moving and rock separation tasks. What sets the Cat D11 apart is its powerful engine, often with hundreds of horsepower, allowing it to dig and move earth quickly and efficiently. Its comprehensive and strong tracks provide stability and the ability to work on a variety of terrains, from flat plains to hilly landscapes. Remote Jensen Trax RC28 is a remote control lawn mower developed and manufactured by McConnell, a reputable name in the field of lawn mowers and mowing. Remote Jensen Trax RC28 has a remote control system allowing operators to operate the machine remotely safely and effectively. This is especially useful when cutting brush in difficult-to-reach areas or hazardous environments, such as steep terrain, flooded grasslands, or areas at risk of bushfires. The Jensen Tractor Ranch Mantis 4142 is a powerful and versatile agricultural machine specifically designed for cutting and trimming grass and crops. With its powerful motor and flexible design, it becomes an excellent land care and management tool. Remote control helps users operate easily and safely. The Jensen Tractor Ranch Mantis 4142 is the ideal choice for agricultural work. The RS-15S stone saw with 1.8 m long diamond blade is a powerful machine specially designed for cutting and processing limestone. The 1.8 m long diamond blade can cut through large blocks of stone easily and quickly. The RS-15S stone saw is an effective solution for cutting thick limestone. Stone Processing Machine TMC Cancel. TXK 180 is specialized equipment for processing soil and large stone blocks in the agricultural and construction sectors. TXK 180 can impact and separate rocks, clay, and other necessary operations in construction, forestry, and land management. With its rugged design and powerful motor, the TXK 180 can tackle challenging tasks and deliver stable and reliable performance. Thanks to these factors, the TMC Cancel TXK 180 stone handler is a powerful and reliable tool for soil treatment and working with large blocks of stone in a variety of applications. The next machine is the Krone Big M 420, a high-performance lawnmower widely used in livestock and agriculture to cut and harvest grass for animal feed. The Krone Big M 420 is equipped with a large and powerful cutting system, allowing it to cut large amounts of grass quickly and effectively. In addition to the grass cutting function, the Krone Big M 420 can also customize the cutting height, ensuring high-quality animal feed production. Using the Krone Big M 420 machine helps reduce effort and time for harvesting grass, improving production efficiency. The JCB 814 Super, an important member of the JCB excavator family, was introduced in the 1980s and quickly made its mark in the construction and mining industries. Considered a symbol of quality and performance, this machine has undergone many improvements to meet the increasingly diverse needs of customers. Although there have been newer versions of the JCB, such as the JCB 814 Super, it is still considered a symbol of development and innovation in the construction machinery industry. The CAT D7R bulldozer is a symbol of strength, equipped with a powerful engine and advanced features. It can tackle the toughest tasks on any terrain. With its efficient performance and outstanding reliability, the CAT D7R bulldozer has proven to be an indispensable tool in the construction and excavation industry. Allow me to introduce to you the Caterpillar 990 wheel loader, a symbol of impressive and advanced technology in the coal mining sector. Considered the pinnacle of engineering, this machine never ceases to amaze with its powerful and incredible capabilities. What's even more remarkable is how the Caterpillar 990 wheel loader performs the task of digging and loading coal onto the truck. Despite the considerable weight of the coal and the long distance from the mining site to the loading point, it demonstrates ingenuity by dividing the loading process into 2 cycles, optimizing time and working efficiency. Job. The power and lifting capacity of this Caterpillar 990 excavator is truly amazing, allowing it to load batches of coal smoothly and efficiently. This increases output productivity and ensures maximum safety for those working in coal mines. The progress and innovation they represent has shaped a brighter future for the industry. The next machine I want to introduce to you is the Caterpillar 988B wheel loader, manufactured and used at the Biros Marble Quarry as a tool and a symbol of sophistication and power in the quarrying industry. Nature. The ability to lift and load huge blocks of marble onto trucks turns this task into an impressive art. The 988B wheel loader with 4 large wheels and outer treads allows the machine to move quickly over the quarry's challenging terrain. Operators are highly skilled professionals who control equipment with high precision. Like a pair of steady hands, its sturdy handle firmly holds precious blocks of marble, then lifts and places them precisely onto the truck, ready for their next journey. This image represents technical perfection and is a symbol of the harmonious interaction between man and machine, transforming natural marble blocks into works of art that can decorate and beautify for many different architectural works around the world. It is a remarkable display of human and technological power in exploitation and innovation. Have you ever witnessed the Caterpillar 992B wheel loader in action? It is a symbol of efficiency and strength in the coal mining industry in Melodis, SA. Its rugged design and significant lifting capacity created incredible productivity and efficiency when loading coal onto trucks. The 992B easily overcomes many different terrains and working environments with its 4 large wheels, making it highly maneuverable thanks to its powerful engine. Skilled operators are experts with exceptional precision in machine control. Most importantly, the device is equipped with a sturdy handle that allows the machine to quickly grasp and lift large blocks of coal. Caterpillar 992B's operation begins with digging and securing the coal block, then lifting it and placing it precisely on waiting trucks. This ensures quick loading of coal onto trucks and minimizes the risk of damage or loss during coal transportation. The Caterpillar 992B wheel loader is more than just an optimal work tool. It is also a symbol of technological progress and the strength of the country's coal mining industry. It is important to ensure vital energy supply to many regions across the globe. If you find the video interesting, please like and subscribe so you don't miss similar content. We move on to the next promising area, silage 2023. The dedication to agriculture and feed processing will continue to grow in 2023. With its feed preservation capabilities, hay is delivering truly outstanding results. In 2023, silage continues to ensure the supply of quality and nutritious food for pets. It also serves as a secure storage solution, providing stability and assurance to farmers and the livestock industry. Creating conditions for sustainable agricultural development, silage also plays an important role in waste management, helping to reduce organic waste and protect the environment. Silage 2023 is not only a symbol of progress, but also the agricultural sector's commitment to producing safe food and promoting sustainable development. We are entering a promising new phase in which silage will certainly play an important role in meeting the world's food needs. Do you see what I'm seeing? It is the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader, a symbol of strength and efficiency in the quarry industry, especially at the Soteriatis Labrianatis mining mine. Operating this machine requires precise adjustment and advanced technical skills from the operator. With 4 large wheels, this wheel loader easily conquers all terrain simply and powerfully. Machine operators, skilled professionals, expertly use controls to clamp and lift heavy blocks of stone, which are then dumped onto trucks awaiting transport. In addition, the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader is also a man-made masterpiece. The loading process requires maximum precision to ensure quality and safety. This is especially important in challenging quarry environments. The Caterpillar 992G is a working tool and a symbol of technological progress and the power of the man-made quarry industry. With its strength and technical capacity, it plays an important role in ensuring the supply of essential raw materials to various industries worldwide. Next is the Komatsu PC3006 excavator, which is often called a masterpiece in the mining industry. Equipped with a powerful engine with a capacity of up to 2,044 horsepower, 1,524 kilowatts, this machine turns into a giant capable of handling explosive rocks more easily. With its tremendous power, the PC3006 excavator seems to easily press its bucket into the rocky ground and then crane large blocks of rock with surprising ease. We cannot help but marvel at its ability to excavate large amounts of soil and rock. Komatsu PC3006 demonstrates the power of advanced technology and engineering. It is not just a device, but also a symbol of innovation and outstanding ability to make mining efficient and impressive. The following demonstration of strength is the Caterpillar D11N, considered a symbol of optimal strength in the construction and mining industry. Equipped with a powerful engine capable of producing hundreds of horsepower, it turns into a monster on the battlefield. The D11N's immense power allows it to tackle challenging tasks such as pushing dirt, rocks, and even giant boulders with ease. With blades and advanced hydraulic system, it can easily rotate and lift heavy objects. More than just a machine, the D11N represents the advancement of technology and engineering in making high-intensity and high-performance missions a reality. The D11N bulldozer is a symbol of excellence and impressiveness in handling heavy and challenging jobs in the industry. Next, we witness the process of awakening the Case 150, the world's largest steam-powered tractor, to prepare for the record-breaking pull, which was an unforgettable experience. This process begins by burning coal or wood in a boiler to create the necessary pressure and temperature to turn water into high-pressure steam, enabling the engine to operate. Case 150 looks more powerful and powerful when the engine is running. This engine puts the huge and powerful wheels in motion to begin its record-breaking towing journey. The operator plays an important role in maintaining the speed and traction necessary to tow large loads, often heavy vehicles, over long distances. The operator must concentrate and pay close attention throughout this process, maintaining stable steam pressure and precise motor control. The magic lies not only in the power of the Case 150, but also in the skill and exquisite control of humans to achieve this impressive record. In the vast farmland of Andover, South Dakota in 2023, a new chapter in agricultural history is being written. The Case 150 tractor, together with the John Deere 50 tractor, created a masterpiece of artistry and power in plowing and planting. The plow is a symbol of progress and modernity in agriculture, shining with its great power. With the skillful hands of the farmer guiding it, it digs deep into the ground, turning dry land into fertile land, ready to welcome a bountiful harvest. Although the plow simply improves labor efficiency, it represents a delicate harmony between people and technology. It pushed agriculture further, marking a significant step forward in exploiting the land's potential. The plow made history, creating a new page in the journey of agricultural development. The JCB JS220 is an excavator that can move and work on water surfaces, often used for digging channels, cleaning, and extracting sand and gravel from rivers or lakes. The machine can float and move thanks to its large and hollow wheel track design, along with minimizing the weight of its components to reduce the overall load. A working arm length of up to 13 meters provides a large working area and reduces the need for frequent machine movement during operation. The road grading job often involves using large graders such as the Caterpillar D11R, as you can see here, which is equipped with a 4-stroke V12 diesel engine with a displacement of 32.1 liters capable of generating over 900 horsepower. This powerful and efficient engine enables the machine to move quickly and easily, pushing back large volumes of soil and rocks. Terex Finlay has produced a machine specifically designed for crushing rocks, called the Finlay J1280E or Rock Eater. The machine uses a V-shaped crushing mechanism that can break down rock blocks as they are fed into the move up and down action of the two V-shaped walls colliding. The gap between the two walls can also be adjusted to achieve the desired size of crushed material. With a C13 engine producing 440 horsepower, the machine can crush all types of rocks and soil fed into it. The Liebherr LR636 is a small-sized wheeled excavator produced by Liebherr Group, one of the world's renowned machinery manufacturers. Specifically, the Liebherr LR636 has an operating weight of about 10 tons and is powered by a 215 horsepower diesel engine. The machine is commonly used in material yards due to its convenience and compact size. Now let's move on to some agricultural machinery that is equally powerful. First up is the OLA 324 pipe laying excavator, a modern and advanced device for digging water drainage channels and installing underground pipes. It can dig up to 1.2 meters deep, making pipe installation easier. In addition, the machine is compatible with laser GPS systems, making the excavation and installation process more accurate and efficient. The Verviet Q616 is a harvesting combine designed and manufactured in the Netherlands, capable of wide harvesting up to 12 rows at high speed. As you can see in the image, the machine is harvesting sugar beets, which are first lifted from the ground with their leaves cut off before being dug up. The sugar beets and soil go into 2 rotating cages to remove the soil, and then the separated sugar beets are taken up to the storage compartment. The machine can harvest a large quantity of produce quickly and efficiently. The next image you see is of 3 Fendt plows of a company specializing in producing large-sized plows. As you can see, the plows are equipped with 16 blades and can pull at a maximum speed of 30 km/h thanks to their powerful engines and large wheel designs. The largest plow width reaches up to 3 meters. Thanks to these machines, hundreds of hectares of farmland have been quickly plowed. The EcoLog 590D is a truly amazing, versatile tree cutting machine. With its agility and dexterity, this machine can cut trees and segment them easily. The cutting unit consists of 2 wheels and 4 clamps firmly holding the tree, with sharp and highly efficient cutting blades. The machine lowers each tree to the ground before trimming off all excess parts and cutting them into evenly sized sections. It's amazing to witness the power and intelligence of technology in saving time and effort for humans in such a tiring job. After watching Far Window's video on the most popular agricultural machines, I feel that agriculture has come a long way in terms of efficiency and productivity. It is impressive to see how technology has advanced in the field of farming and has made it easier for farmers to work more efficiently.